Hola chicas! Welcome to my channel. My name is Jojo, creator and CEO of Godly Cosmetics, and today you will watch me make a simple lip oil. As you can see, we're starting with castor oil. Castor oil is great at preventing dry skin, and this is usually my go-to when it comes to lip oils. If you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit like. Next oil that I will be adding is sweet almond oil. This oil helps rejuvenate your lips by removing dead skin cells and prevent chapped lips. The next oil I am adding is coconut oil. This is a great oil to help moisturize chapped lips. Now some vitamin E oil. This oil promotes cell turnover and regeneration. Using it on dry lips brings new cells to the surface faster, so this is definitely great to add. And now we mix. Now to make it more interesting, I am adding some flavoring. For this oil, I decided to use lavender. Now this is my personal preference, but I love adding some sweetener to my lip glosses and lip oils just to make it even better. So just a couple of drops is enough because it is definitely concentrated. And now we mix again. Now I wanted to make this lip oil very cute, so I decided to add some of this beautiful iridescent glitter. It is cosmetic safe, and I got it from a small business. I love supporting other small businesses like mine. So here you can see I just add a little bit of it just to add this extra bling, and we mix again. Now I'm going to be using these glass roller bottles from Amazon. They are, I believe it's a box of 24. These have been washed already and dried. As you can see, it brings the caps and the roller tip. And for this oil, because it is lavender scented, I decided to use some dried lavender flowers, which I also got in Amazon. Here you can see it is a huge quantity in this small bag, or somewhat small bag. I am going to be using this small scoop spoon I got at TKV Trading for the dried lavender flowers. I think is a perfect size for it. And I will be adding a little bit of the dry flowers to each of the bottles. As you can see, I am also adding edible gold flakes. This bottle I actually got on Amazon also. And last but not least, I wanted to give it like an extra oomph to this lip oil, so I decided to add some beautiful gold butterfly glitter to it, just to add this dreamy look to this lip oil. steps with all of these bottles until I am ready to start filling them in with the lip oil. Steps. Here you can see how beautiful this is looking. I can't wait for you to see once I put the oils in. As you can see, I am going to be using this tiny funnel to start adding the lip oil to the bottles. It makes it so much easier doing it this way. You can also use a pipette if it's your personal preference, but I feel like this way is faster to get it done. Here I'm trying to find the best angle for you to be able to see me adding the oil into this bottle. You just have to be very careful with the amount you're putting in, because the density of the oil it is a little slower going down. So if you don't have control, you can overflow really easily. So definitely pay attention to that as you are filling in your bottles if you are going to try to do this oil at home. Shake it very well to mix in the dry flowers with the gold flakes and the glitter, and look at how beautiful this lip oil looks. Aside from obviously having great benefits for your lips, it's so beautiful. The look of it is really something nice to carry around and brag about having in your bag. The final result. I am super happy with this lip oil. Look at how beautiful and how simple it was to make. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Hit the like button and please share. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And thank you for watching.